girlfriend, how she's so late. And as you're talking, I start thinking, all the details start to sink in. I don't care about the right now. Spend the summer in this beach house. 'Cause I was trying to play my part. My lines memorized in my heart. I keep losing to a moment where I'm with you, I just can't.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I just had a nice and early morning. I woke up at 8 a.m. today because I needed to get more of my essay done for my research methods class. I've been working on that basically all weekend. This is for like our big research proposal, so that's the class that I was talking about in my last vlog that was kind of stressing me out. It's just like a lot of like tedious work, so it kind of does like stress me out a little bit, but I worked on that early this morning, so I had a great start to my day because I don't know, I usually wake up at 9, but I was like, you know what, I should wake up early and just try to knock it out. And I literally only have one paragraph left for the introduction. He kind of broke it up so the whole essay is not due at one time, it's just broken down into pieces. So yeah, if you're new here, welcome. I do a lot of college vlogs, productivity. Make sure you subscribe, and I also made my to-do list already for today, so we can update this now. Basically, this is just another productive online college day of my life vlog. Usually I say that and I didn't, so yeah, let me show you guys quickly my to-do list, and then I actually need to get ready. On Mondays I only have one class, so I finished that right now. My Zoom class was Theories of Personality. Here is the list. I just had class. I just have one paragraph left, which I'll do when I get back home. I need to actually drop my mom off somewhere, and then I'm gonna go to IKEA with my boyfriend, and then I need to start planning out my days where I'm gonna like study for exams, because next week is midterms. I have 2 midterms back to back, and then my art midterm, my 3 drawings are due on Wednesday, so it's Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday back to back. I need to read chapter 8 for working with families. I have a vlog to edit, and I work tonight from 5 to 10, so we always have a busy Monday, so that's why I wanted to vlog. I'm going to vlog honestly a lot this week, so get ready for that, because I'm going to be doing a lot of just studying and a lot of work, so I just want to share with you guys because I know you guys literally love my productive vlogs, so I'm going to just keep throwing them out for you guys, and I hope you guys are enjoying them. And I just laid out my outfit. I'm just going to throw on, I'm so glad it's like sweater weather now, so I'm just going to throw on this Nike sweater. It's just like the most comfortable thing ever, you guys. I miss wearing this, so I'm glad that I can start wearing it again. I'll link it down below if I can find it. And these Fabletics leggings, so I gotta go. Okay, I'm back home for a little bit. Before he picks me up, I'm just gonna finish my last paragraph for my introduction to my research paper so that I can knock this completely off my to-do list before leaving again. So this is what we're gonna do really quickly. I got my articles and everything. I'm just like have to keep referencing, so I usually just split my screen apart like this. am back home and I need to do some reading. Before I left, when I told you guys I was gonna finish working on my intro to the paper, I finished it, so I'm very happy about that. That was like the one thing that's just like in the back of your mind, like I just want to get it done, I want to get it done, and now I feel way better. So what we're gonna work on right now is reading chapter 8, and you guys know what I do already. You guys know I just go in and highlight as I'm reading so that I can do my journal for it. And then after that I will plan out the rest of my week and plan when I can study and all of that, because for theories of personality and even research methods it's going to be like open book, but for theories of personality we're going to have half online with multiple choice and half is going to be like open-ended, but it's still going to be open book. So I still need to obviously like refresh my memory because it's going to be timed, so I need to start going through that. But she's not telling us the specific things that we need to know until Thursday, and the exam is Tuesday, so I don't know how this is going to work. I'm just going to still start reviewing my notes anyways, and then research methods I'm going to also work on just studying my notes so far until he posts something, because we don't see him through Zoom since it's asynchronous. And then when I get back from work I need to edit because I want to upload tomorrow. So that's basically my Monday, so let's get started. I am back from work now. I'm gonna put on my diffuser. I have peppermint drops in there. It's good for, like, what's it called? I just remembered it. Oh, it helps with fatigue, and it's good for like concentration and some other stuff. But anyways, I actually need these. I'm going to do some editing and then we're gonna watch. My hair looks crazy. I just had it up all day for work. Well, not all day. I had it up for work, and then when you take it down you just know when it gets crazy. So don't mind the crazy hair, but I'm going to do some editing, watch Love Island. Before I go to bed I'll do some more editing because I am gonna get this video up for you guys tomorrow, because I haven't posted in like 2 days. I post like every other day. And my last video was my iPhone video, like my customization. I need to put my Laneige on because my lips are so dry. And before I left for work, I finished reading the chapter like I was supposed to. So tomorrow I might vlog again, honestly, because why not? Tomorrow I need to get done the actual journal for that class. But let's do some night editing. I feel like I get a lot of editing done at night. And if you guys don't know, I edit on Final Cut Pro. I kind of get some questions here and there for what I used to edit. So I use Final Cut Pro. And I'm gonna put on my glasses so I don't strain my eyes. I'm actually like really tired and I don't want to sleep that late because I want to keep waking up early. I woke up early today, like at 8 like I told you guys, so that's why I'm tired. And I worked, although work was not busy, but it went by fast, so I love that for me. Okay, let me stop talking and get some editing done before we watch Love Island. Also, Love Island is almost like at the finale and I'm sad, so if you guys watch Love Island, comment down below. Busy Monday. is complete, you guys. And I don't know if I fully showed you, but I basically filled in mostly the rest of my days and just organizing so that I can get the most out of the rest of my week. And that's why I kind of like Mondays, because I feel like it just sets the mood for the rest of the week, and once I'm productive Monday, I just keep it going throughout the rest of the week. So I do recommend doing this, writing down everything for the whole week. I just started doing this recently, a couple of vlogs ago, and update. I do like it, and I feel like it's definitely necessary, especially during this time of the semester when midterms and all of that is coming, because it can get overwhelming. So I did this and I filled in when I can study for which class, so I feel like that'll be also really helpful. And yeah, so this busy productive Monday went very well, and I'm really proud of myself, and I want to wake up again early tomorrow and just keep that cycle going, but also by not going to bed super late. So I'm gonna finish off tonight and go to sleep, because it is about to be 11:30, so I don't want to go to bed too late. And I basically got most of my editing done, like the main parts of just like getting the clips good with like the volume. I put in my color grading overlay that I made for my videos, and it's all ready for me tomorrow. I just have to, in the morning with my coffee, I would just go in and put like the text and all of that extra stuff, and it won't take me that long at all. So I got basically all of that situated, so we're all good with that. Alarm is on. Ringer is on. It's so tragic when you put your alarm on and then your volume wasn't even like up. You know? It's my weighted sleeping mask that I got in my FabFitFun box. Also, before I go to bed, I always make sure my slippers are all ready for me for when I wake up in the morning. Because these are the freaking coziest things ever. They're kind of crooked. I just slide them in as soon as I wake up, because I hate when my feet are cold. And these also came in my FabFitFun box, but they're just so furry, and so I just always make sure I have them here. And also rotate the fan so that it can just be nice and cool in here. I hope you guys enjoyed this productive vlog. I'm going to be vlogging a ton this week, and I'm just like super motivated to just keep vlogging all these productive vlogs. I feel like this week is going to be very busy, and so it's kind of weird that I'm like motivated to vlog, because I will feel overwhelmed. But I actually right now don't feel overwhelmed, and I feel like it'll just keep pushing me to make sure I get the work done and make sure I get everything off my to-do list done. So I'm gonna try to vlog a lot this week so I can show you guys. And I know you guys love these vlogs, so I'm gonna keep filming them, and just make sure you have your post notifications on also, so you stay tuned whenever I post any new video, whether you like productive vlogs or just my regular like other vlogs that I have or post on my channel, because I do a little bit of a mix. I like to switch things up. It makes it a little bit different and fun, so definitely make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the content, and also make sure you catch up on all of my latest vlogs and leave me a comment and a thumbs up, because that truly helps support me, and I love you guys all so much. So with that being said, I'll see you guys all in the next vlog. Thank you so much for watching this one and hanging out with me today. Busy Mondays are the best, so see you guys all tomorrow basically.